What is the area of a rectangle with the length 8 centimeters and width of 5 centimeters? Go. Ngayon, sir, paano ito? Let's talk about basic geometry, guys. Basic geometry. Sabi niya sa problem, ha? Look at the problem here. What is the area of a rectangle with the length of 8 and the width of 5 centimeters? Pag pinag-usapan ng area ng rectangle, you need to memorize the formula. Ang formula natin for the area is equal to length times width. Sir, para mas maging simple yan, pwede naman to. A is equal to L times W. Ngayon, sir, paano yan? And guys, na-mention naman na we have area is equal to yung length natin, this is the length, which is 8 centimeters. I-multiply mo lang yan sa width natin. This is your width, which is 5 centimeters. And then the correct answer is equal to 40 centimeter squared. Ito yung tamang sagot.